Hello everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. I am at the house I cleaned, just finished my job about 2:30 to 40. The owner set up the table and decorations, the rooms for party tomorrow. It is Valentine theme. This is the second party Valentine theme. She just had the small one, and this one the guests about 30 people. She is a host of parties all the time for some organization. I don't remember. She's a member at the church. Anyway, she allowed me to take photo and do the video. I have parties themed video earlier when I work at her house, and when she set the table for the party, she always allow me to take picture and video as I want, because she knows I enjoy video and take photo of her theme setup tables and sharing on my YouTube, also Facebook. How the setup look, as you see, and also the house is nice. I worked for her about 2 more years. I'm not quite remember. Anyway, these are the atmosphere for Valentine party. She said Valentine party. Her guests are women. I will look at the picture from her Facebook later. Everybody gonna dress up nicely. So exciting. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube and watching. Have a great day. Bye.